How would you feel if you could cook a perfectly crispy turkey or a full seafood feast right in your backyard without the stress? Today, turkey fryers bring powerful performance, faster cooking times, and safer designs that make outdoor cooking easier. From oil-less options to high BTU propane burners, these cookers are built to handle everything from holiday turkeys to weekend boils. If you're hosting a big gathering or just love outdoor cooking, the right fryer can transform your cooking experience. Today, we reveal the top 5 best turkey fryers based on their overall performance. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals. The fifth product on our list is the VEVOR H30QT54. This VEVOR 30-quart seafood boiling kit and turkey fryer is the best budget-friendly outdoor fryer for solid performance with simplicity. If you're planning family feasts, holiday cooking, or backyard gatherings, this all-in-one kit is built to make your experience easy and enjoyable. Right from the start, you get a versatile cooking system that adapts to your needs. The 30-quart aluminum pot lets you fry or steam turkey and seafood using the basket, or switch things up by removing it to cook soups, stews, or rice dishes. It's designed to handle multiple cooking styles without needing extra equipment. Performance is where it really shines. With a powerful 54,000 BTU propane burner, you get fast heating and strong, consistent output, so your food cooks quickly and evenly. Whether you're frying a turkey or boiling a seafood feast, you won't be left waiting around. It comes with everything you need, including a perforated basket, turkey rack, thermometer, marinade injector, and lifting hook. These tools make cooking easier, more precise, and a lot more fun, especially when you're experimenting with different flavors. The design is built with your convenience in mind. From strengthened handles for better grip to thicker support rods for stability, every detail helps you cook safely and comfortably. Added safety features like warning labels and a sturdy stand give you extra confidence during high-heat cooking. Do you want an affordable, fully equipped outdoor fryer that delivers excellent results? The VEVOR 30-quart fryer can be your fantastic choice. The fourth place on our list is the GasOne TFS-4500. If you're looking for the best outdoor turkey fryer for heavy outdoor use with reliability, the GasOne 30-quart turkey fryer is built to deliver powerful performance, versatility, and a complete cooking experience. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or a casual backyard boil, this setup is designed to handle it all with ease. At its core, you will get a high-heat propane burner that heats up quickly, allowing you to fry, boil, or steam your food without long wait times. From turkey frying to crab boils and Cajun-style cooking, you can handle a wide range of meals while maintaining consistent heat and reliable performance. The cooking experience gets even better by its complete all-in-one kit. You're equipped with both a 30-quart pot and a 10-quart pot, along with baskets, a thermometer, turkey rack, marinade injector, and lifting hook. This means you can cook large items like whole turkeys or switch to smaller batches like shrimp, fries, or wings without needing extra tools. GasOne has also focused on safety and control. The adjustable 0 to 5 psi regulator and heat-resistant hose help maintain steady gas flow, giving you better control over your cooking temperature. This makes the entire process smoother and more predictable, especially for beginners. Durability is another strong point. The sturdy steel frame keeps everything stable while cooking at high heat, so you can focus on your food without worrying about balance or safety. If you want a powerful, reliable, and fully equipped outdoor fryer that handles everything from big feasts to everyday cooking, the GasOne 30-quart fryer could be your ideal choice. The third product on our list is the CreoleFeast TFS3010. The CreoleFeast TFS3010 propane fryer is the best turkey fryer with multi-purpose outdoor cooking station. If you want a complete outdoor cooking system that can handle everything from large feasts to quick fry sessions, you can buy this fryer. It combines power, flexibility, and convenience, making it perfect for anyone who loves cooking outdoors. Firstly, this turkey fryer is easily adaptable product. The combo design gives you both a 30-quart turkey fryer and a 10-quart fish fryer, so you can easily switch between cooking a whole turkey, boiling seafood, or frying smaller items like fish, wings, and fries. It's like having multiple cooking tools in one setup. Performance is just as impressive. The 50,000 BTU cast iron burner delivers strong, consistent heat that will allow you to fry or boil quickly and efficiently. Moreover, the adjustable air control panel helps you maintain a clean, steady flame, giving you better control over your cooking. You also get everything you need right out of the box. From the perforated basket and turkey rack to the marinade injector and long probe thermometer, every accessory is designed to make your cooking easier and more precise. The lifting hook and heat-resistant handles add extra convenience when handling hot food safely. The solid and stable build really makes this fryer fantastic. The all-welded steel stand with 4 triangular legs keeps everything secure, so you can cook with confidence even at high temperatures. If you want a powerful, all-in-one outdoor fryer that gives you maximum flexibility and complete control, the CreoleFeast TFS3010 is an excellent choice. The second product on our list is the Charbroil Oil-Less Fryer. The Charbroil Big Easy Oil-Less Turkey Fryer is the best premium turkey fryer for high-end performance and safety. If you want crispy, juicy results without dealing with messy and dangerous hot oil, this fryer exactly can do this. It delivers a smarter, safer, and more convenient way to enjoy fried-style food while keeping your outdoor cooking stress-free. When you start using it, you will notice how simple and clean the experience is. Due to its patented infrared cooking technology, you get even heat distribution with no flare-ups, so your food cooks evenly every time. Whether you're preparing a turkey, roast, or chicken, everything comes out crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside without sacrificing flavor. It's also surprisingly powerful and efficient. With 16,000 BTU of propane power, you can cook large cuts of meat faster than a traditional oven, saving you time during busy gatherings. The spacious capacity lets you handle up to a 16-pound turkey, an 8-pound roast, or a 6-pound pork shoulder, making it perfect for family meals or special occasions. You'll love how portable and easy it is to use. The built-in handles make it simple to carry, whether you're cooking in your backyard, heading out for camping, or setting up at a tailgate party. Plus, the rotary piezo ignition lets you start it instantly with just a turn of a knob. One of the biggest advantages is safety. With no oil involved, you avoid burns, spills, and the hassle of oil disposal. Cleanup is just as easy with the front access grease tray that collects drippings effortlessly. If you want a premium outdoor fryer that's safer, cleaner, and incredibly easy to use while still delivering amazing flavor, the Charbroil Big Easy might be your favorite choice. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the OuterMust TF30-01B. The OuterMust 30-quart outdoor turkey fryer is the best overall turkey fryer if you want fast heating capacity, large capacity, and an easy outdoor cooking experience without the hassle. It brings together everything you need for a perfect feast, whether you're frying a turkey, boiling seafood, or hosting a backyard gathering. When you fire it up, the 50,000 BTU propane burner quickly gets to work, heating oil to the right temperature in about 30 minutes. That means less waiting and more cooking, so you can focus on enjoying your time instead of managing the heat. The durable galvanized iron stove head and heavy-duty steel frame give you a strong, stable setup you can rely on every time. You'll also appreciate its practical usability. The 30-quart aluminum pot is spacious enough to handle up to a 13-pound turkey or around 20 pounds of seafood, making it perfect for feeding 5 to 10 people. Whether you're cooking shrimp, crab, lobster, or a full turkey, everything fits comfortably. This fryer is really very user-friendly, with a perforated basket for easy draining, a turkey rack with a lifting hook, and a built-in thermometer to keep your oil temperature just right. The pouring nozzle design makes oil disposal much cleaner, and setup takes only about 15 minutes. Safety is also covered with a CSA-certified regulator and a 10 psi pressure-reducing valve, so you can cook with confidence. If you want a reliable, fast-heating, and easy-to-use outdoor turkey fryer, the OuterMust 30 quarts is an excellent choice. That's all for our list of the top 5 best turkey fryers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.